Welcome back, everyone. Are you looking for a fun fall craft that you can do with the whole family?
Absolutely.
Amy Stamp of Craftivate is here, and she's showing us how to make a pallet pumpkin.
And the hot glue gun is ready to go, which
we
is
love
a
a
very
good-
we love a good glue gun. All right, so how are you, Amy?
I'm good. How
It's
are
nice to see you.
Nice to
Tell
see
me
you.
a little bit about your place and what you do.
So it's a DIY craft studio.
Okay.
It's for adults and children. We have classes, we have public and private events, and it's a place where you could come and just learn how to make really beautiful, crafty things.
Can you bring booze?
You can. Yes.
I
for
love
these
that.
Where are you
events.
located?
We're located in Wallingford, right in the center of town.
Perfect. So we're starting with this, and if we went to your craft studio, you would give us this pumpkin.
Yes, if you chose this craft, that's what you would start with.
Okay. And then you're going to show us today how we make it a little more professional. You're going to show us how we can distress a pumpkin.
First what you would do is you would paint it a solid color, or you would leave it raw, and then what is very popular right now is that farmhouse style.
Yeah.
So what I'm going to teach you is how to make this distressed look very easily.
Okay.
A lot of people think you need to use sandpaper or that you need to do something very complicated, but all we're going to do, would one of you like to do it?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay,
Go
so
ahead,
you're going
Karen.
to take this
I'll
brush.
do it. Okay.
You're going to get a little bit of paint onto the brush,
Is
just
this
a tiny
open?
bit. That's open.
Okay.
Okay, just enough.
Just enough.
And then you're going to lightly brush back and forth on the wood. Look at that. Okay, and then just keep blending. You go a little bit faster. It's okay. Look, you're good at this.
I think I went a little too heavy, no?
No, it's okay, because if you keep blending, it will just keep on pushing into the ridges in the paint, in the wood.
So the trick
into the
is,
grain.
can I play a little bit?
Yeah,
We wouldn't re-dip. We want to just keep blending.
Correct. It's almost like a dry brush technique.
Okay.
So you just have a little bit of paint on your brush, and then you blend, blend, blend. And sometimes the darker you do it, the more distressed it can look. So
Okay.
I went very light on this side,
Yeah.
and this is a little bit darker, but that's okay.
I like that.
Because then you can keep going on to the different areas of the,
Oh, geez, look.
a little piece of a paintbrush came out. That's
Yeah.
okay. We can pick that off later. So
All right.
this is how you would finish the distressed look with the dry brush technique.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then when you're finished with that, it will turn out like this, and you'll have a completed piece right there.
Can you go back over it with some of the white if you didn't like how dark it got?
You could.
Okay.
And
So
you
if
could
had,
also
like,
do
it's
it.
no real mistake you can't fix.
Correct. So you could also do it over a white over a different color. So I started with the teal on this
the
pumpkin,
teal base,
and I went
and then you
over
went
it with
with
the
white.
white
Distressed with
for a
white.
nice distressed
See, and
look.
I would have thought the opposite. So very clever.
Yeah, so you could switch it up either way.
And that's nice too, because a lot of people are putting teal pumpkins out to let people know if they have allergy-friendly Halloween treats.
That's
So
right.
you could have that would be your permanent teal pumpkin that you'd put on your soup.
True, which is great for moms.
What's
so
next?
that they know where to go. So what's next? So you will take your distressed pumpkin,
Okay. Yep.
and then you can choose from any variety of materials to add onto it. So I have some materials here for you guys.
Okay.
Okay.
And you can choose what you'd like, and I can explain as you start putting some on. So
What do you
can
think,
use
Scott?
hot glue gun
Sure.
and try it out. So
Now,
you just want to
I
make
like
sure.
this big piece. Where would you put this, Amy? Where would
Well,
you,
what
how
I
you-
would do, I would
would you
take
put
this
that on
piece
there?
and I would actually pull a piece off.
Oh.
So then it's a smaller piece you can use, and you can place it more deliberately.
Would you like?
Yeah,
What do you
just
think,
like that.
Scott? You want
And
to
then-
outline
Yeah.
it?
So you glue it?
Yep,
Put a
so you
few
put
dots?
a little hot glue right onto the item or onto the wood,
Great.
and you want to squeeze that a little bit
A
harder.
little bit.
I'm afraid it's going to come out and
Don't worry.
That's okay.
Don't worry. Just don't burn me. Okay.
So if, there you
That's
go,
good.
now you
Little
go.
glue dots. That's what we need. And a little bit, oops, and a little bit
All
over
right.
here. Okay.
And then you're going to want to work fast putting that down because hot glue dries sort of
So it's
fast.
quick. Okay. So we could bend it.
So you can start like that and bend it right on there.
I like that, Kara.
And if you're working with younger children and you don't want them to use the glue gun, you can use felt stickers. They have a little sticker piece on the back, and you can just pull that off and then easily stick it wherever you'd like. And
need a
the
little-
felt,
A little bit here.
the felt looks nice because it's a little bit more of a mature look.
But look, you got these great little
Nice.
little stickers on them.
So you can go and get scrapbooking stickers
How
and use
awesome.
those to decorate. And you can do it for Halloween or harvest themed. And everyone's always ends up looking different in the end. You end up with a different Look, I'm going to move over so you guys can dig into
Well,
the supplies.
Okay, I'm just gonna stick our little glue dot here. Now, in the interest of time, I won't do it again, but I would put one on the other side for balance. You can put that right at the top there, Scott?
Yeah, what do you think?
Well, is this too cliche to put the leaf over the leaf?
No.
No, not at all.
I'm just gonna be very literal here. Let's put the leaf on the stem.
Look, it has. We have acorns. The
There's
thing is, there's just so
acorns.
many great little things that you can add to these.
There's so many great little things, and you can even come up with things in your own home. So if you're a baker and you have these sticks that you would usually put into a cupcake, as a cupcake topper, you can use this, snap off the stick, and then that becomes your decoration
Oh, so don't have to
for
buy a lot.
the pallet
For more
pumpkin. So you can use
information,
things at home.
there's an art class for moms Wednesday mornings, 9:30 to 12:30, beginning October 2nd. It's at 172 Center Street, Wallingford. How do you say it?
Craftivate.
Craftivate.com.
Craftivate.com.
That's what threw me.
And
Craftivatect.com. Thank you so
very
much,
cool.
Amy.
Okay,
It's so
thank
nice
you.
to see you.
Yeah, nice
Hopefully
to
you'll come
see
back
you
and show us
too.
some more crafty things.
I'd love that.
I love it when you go out and you come home with something done. It's
Absolutely.
like an accomplishment.
All right.